Welcome to 𝗵𝗡𝗪, the go-to place for financial insights, investment ideas, and money-making strategies. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Here at 𝗵𝗡𝗪, we equip you with the knowledge and strategies you need to grow your wealth. Today, we're exploring a hot topic: 10 ideas for generating passive income on a budget. It's all about making your money work for you, even when you're not. So, are you ready to discover some budget-friendly ways to build a passive income stream? Let's dive right in. Idea number 1, dividend investing. It's a classic method for passive income. Now, what is dividend investing, you might ask? Well, it is essentially purchasing shares from companies that regularly distribute profits to their shareholders in the form of dividends. The allure of this strategy lies in the dual earning potential. You not only receive a regular stream of income via dividends, but there's also the possibility of your shares appreciating in value. It's like having your cake and eating it too. However, like any investment, there are risks involved. The key is to choose stable companies with a history of paying consistent dividends. It's not about chasing the highest yield, but rather about consistency and sustainability. Research is paramount. You need to understand the company's financial health, its industry, and the overall market conditions. With patience and smart choices, dividend investing can be a great source of passive income. Moving on to idea number 2, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending, is a fascinating way to generate passive income. It's a process where you lend money to individuals or small businesses in need through an online platform. And in return, you receive interest payments over a certain period. It's essentially becoming your own mini bank. But remember, with higher potential returns comes higher risk. It's crucial to diversify your investments and not put all your eggs in one basket. Platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, and Funding Circle make it easy to get started and offer a variety of loan options. They also provide resources to help you understand the risks involved. So if you're looking for a way to put your money to work, P2P lending might be worth considering. While it carries some risk, peer-to-peer lending can be a lucrative passive income stream. Next up, idea number 3, real estate crowdfunding. Now, this is a rather exciting way to generate passive income. It's all about pooling funds with other investors to buy properties. The beauty of real estate crowdfunding is that it's accessible. You don't need to have massive amounts of capital to participate. Now let's talk about potential returns. While they can vary greatly based on the property and market conditions, some platforms report average annual returns of 8 to 12%. Not too shabby, right? So where can you participate in real estate crowdfunding? There are numerous online platforms that facilitate this type of investment. Some popular ones include CrowdStreet, Fundrise, and Realty Mogul. Each platform has its own minimum investment requirements and fee structures, so it's crucial to do your homework before diving in. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to get involved in property investment without the need for large amounts of capital. Idea number 4, blogging. It's a modern form of self-expression that can also become a lucrative passive income stream. So how does one start a blog? Well, you begin by identifying a topic you're passionate about, something that you love discussing or educating others about. It could be anything from cooking to personal finance, or even your travels. Next, you set up your blog. There are numerous platforms available, both free and paid, that can help you create a professional-looking blog without needing any coding knowledge. Now, once your blog is up, the key is to consistently produce quality content. This will help you build a loyal audience. Now let's talk money. How do you monetize a blog? 2 popular methods are through advertising and affiliate marketing. You can place ads on your blog or promote products related to your blog topic and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral. Blogging might require some effort to set up, but once it's up and running, it can generate a significant passive income. Now let's talk about idea number 5, dropshipping. A popular form of e-commerce, dropshipping involves selling goods that are stored, packed, and shipped by a third party, typically a wholesaler or manufacturer. As a dropshipper, your role is to market and sell the products. You are essentially the middleman between the supplier and the consumer. Starting a dropshipping business can be quite straightforward. First, you need to identify a product or niche that interests you and has potential for profit. Next, find a reliable supplier who offers dropshipping services. Then create an online store using platforms like Shopify, list your products, and start marketing. The income potential in dropshipping is substantial. It's all about the product and how effectively you market it. The beauty of dropshipping is that it requires minimal upfront investment. You only purchase the product after a customer has placed an order. Dropshipping can be a profitable passive income source if you find the right product and market. Idea number 6, online courses. In this digital age, knowledge is currency, and what better way to share your expertise and earn from it than through online courses? It's like penning a book, but in an interactive digital format. You may ask, how do I begin? It's simpler than you think. Identify your area of expertise. It could be anything from gardening to coding or even photography. Next, create comprehensive, engaging content that's easy to understand. There are numerous platforms available, like Udemy or Coursera, that can host your course and connect you to millions of eager learners worldwide. And the best part, once your course is live, it becomes a source of passive income. Every time someone enrolls, you earn. And with the right marketing, the stream of learners could be endless. Just remember, quality content is key. If you have expertise in a particular field, creating online courses can be a profitable way to earn passive income. Moving on to idea number 7, stock photography. This is an avenue that allows you to monetize your passion for photography. If you have a keen eye for capturing beautiful, thought-provoking, or unique images, you could very well be sitting on a gold mine. Stock photography involves selling your photos through platforms that cater to a vast array of clients, from advertisers to bloggers, and even large corporations. These clients are constantly in need of high-quality, unique images to enhance their content and products. Now, how does it work? Once you upload your photos to a stock photo platform, you essentially license them for others to purchase. Every time someone buys your photo, you earn a royalty fee. The beauty of this is that a single photo can be sold multiple times, creating a steady stream of passive income. The potential income from stock photography varies greatly and depends on factors such as the quality of your photos and the demand for the type of images you offer. If you have a knack for photography, selling stock photos can be a great way to generate passive income. Next, let's discuss idea number 8, affiliate marketing. This is a concept where you promote products or services of other companies on your platform, whether it's a blog, website, or social media account. When your audience makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. To get started, you need to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and has a substantial audience. Then sign up for an affiliate program that offers products or services in your chosen niche. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction are a few well-known platforms to consider. Once you've signed up, you'll receive a unique affiliate link, which you can incorporate into your content. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get paid. The income potential here is quite significant. Some earn a few $100s a month, while others rake in thousands. Affiliate marketing can provide a steady stream of income if you have a platform with good traffic. Now for idea number 9, renting out property. This isn't just about leasing a house or an apartment. It extends to any asset you own that others may find useful. It could be a parking spot, a piece of land, or even a room in your home. You might be surprised by how much you can earn by simply making the most out of your existing assets. Platforms like Airbnb have made it possible for anyone to become a landlord. But it's not just limited to real estate. In the digital world, you can rent out server space, domain names, or even your social media influence. Websites like Patreon allow creators to monetize their following by offering exclusive content for a fee, of course. Renting out property, whether physical or digital, isn't just about making money. It's about optimizing your resources and turning idle assets into income generators. And the best part, the initial investment is often minimal. Renting out property, whether physical or digital, can be a reliable source of passive income. Finally, idea number 10, creating an app. In the digital age, apps rule the world. From games to utilities, there's an app for almost everything. But have you ever thought about creating your own? The process may seem daunting, but it's not as complicated as you might think. It starts with an idea, a unique concept that solves a problem or offers a service. Once you have your idea, you can hire a developer, or if you're feeling adventurous, learn to code and build it yourself. Monetizing your app can be achieved in several ways, such as in-app purchases, advertisements, or even a subscription model. The potential income from a successful app is substantial. Popular apps can make thousands, even millions in revenue, but remember, the key to success is offering something unique and valuable to your users. If you have a unique idea, creating an app can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. That wraps up our list of 10 ideas for generating passive income on a budget. From dividend investing to creating your own app, these strategies can start generating income with a modest budget. Remember, real estate crowdfunding or renting out property could be your stepping stone towards financial freedom. Passive income is all about making your money work for you, even when you're not actively involved. Don't forget to subscribe to 𝗵𝗡𝗪𝗏 for more insightful investment strategies and financial tips. Until next time, happy investing.